New York Giants wide receiver Plaxico Burress may be trying out for title of the dumbest man in the NFL, but he is having a very difficult time of it with New York City's mayor. Burress charged with illegal possession of a handgun after he shot himself in the thigh at a New York nightclub over the weekend. Mayor Michael Bloomberg says Burress should be prosecuted to the full extent of the law, even though the mayor himself ignores some other serious violations of the law. Bill Tucker has our report.
There is no question where New York's mayor stands on the issue of gun control. 2 years ago, he sued out-of-state gun dealers, charging they violated federal gun laws. He's a founder of Mayors Against Illegal Guns. He argues that the Second Amendment doesn't extend to criminals. When NFL star wide receiver Plaxico Burress shot himself in the leg while in a Manhattan nightclub with his handgun that wasn't licensed, Bloomberg's reaction? To call for maximum prosecution.
We got the state legislature to pass a law that if you carry a loaded handgun, you got an automatic 3.5 years in the slammer. And I don't think that anybody should be exempt from that.
Even the New York Giants team and the NFL were ripped into by Mayor Bloomberg for stonewalling on the incident. The Giants deny the charge and say they've been working cooperatively with city police. Bloomberg says to ignore the law is to make a mockery of the law. But apparently not every law. Federal immigration law is Bloomberg's exception. New York is proudly a sanctuary city for illegal aliens breaking federal immigration law.
He doesn't want to enforce the law, and he's getting in the way of federal law enforcement here. There are federal gun laws, by the way. I'm sure he's not going to get in the way of those laws. There are federal drug laws, federal laws related to money laundering and kidnapping and bank robbery.
Mayor Bloomberg is a defender of his city's policy to ignore federal immigration law. Now, as for Plaxico Burress, he is charged 2 counts of criminal gun possession and his case to the grand jury, where indictments will be considered, Lou.
Yeah, it's amazing. The mayor obviously not very interested in identity theft issues and violations, which are felonies.
Exactly.
The mayor should be commended for his concern about gun violence. But weighing in on this issue so vehemently, I wonder if Plaxico Burress can get a fair trial in New York.
I don't know. His lawyer sounds like he was sort of hopeful, but he admits he's facing an uphill battle in this one.
And the only victim so far, other than the fool who shot himself in the thigh, New York hospital. Suspended an employee.
Right, suspended an employee for failure to report gunshot wounds under New York City law. The employee said he didn't know.
But was suspended. So we've got our first action from the tough-talking mayor who's demanding investigation. A working stiff gets handled here.
Exactly.
And everything else goes on as usual with the grandstanding mayor and a New York celebrity ball player. I wonder how this will all end up. Bill Tucker, thank you very much. Well, the NFL has...